Here we are in Chapter 3 review exercises with numbers 24 through 29. Number 24, it says graph the solutions. This is an inequality. Let's go ahead and since y equals mx plus b is the easiest way to graph it, change this guy, subtract 3x from both sides. We're going to do number 24 in blue is greater than negative 3x plus 7. Now when we divide by a negative 5 here, don't forget what that does to inequalities. It switches that guy places. So this is y is less than 3/5, that's a positive 3/5 x, minus 7/5. So we graph that. We have 0, negative 7/5. That's about negative 1.4 right down there. And then the slope is a positive 3/5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3 up, rise, and 5 across, run. And then we look to graph the border, the line. But we don't want it equal to 7. We don't want y equals this. So this line where it's y equals 3/5 x plus minus 7/5 is a dashed line. And now we look, y is less than. Y means rise or run, the altitude of it. It says the y's are all below the line. So we stand on the line and look down. So this right here, I colored over the lines a little bit. That is our solution there. All right, next one, number 25. We already have y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 1, so we're free to just graph it. 0, negative 1 right there, and it has a slope of a positive 2, 1, 2 over 1. And so here's the line. Notice the line y equals 2x minus 1 is actually part of our solution. So we do it in a solid line. There we go. And it's because this line is actually part of the solutions, and it says y is greater than. So that means standing on the line and looking up, all the y's above the line are part of the answer. So we go like that. And it covers actually the whole side all the way over forever and ever that way. All right, number 26. We got to solve for y again. So we'll subtract 5x from both sides. That's negative 8y less than or equal to negative 5x plus 2. And then divide by a negative 8. Divide by a negative 8 everywhere. Remember, dividing by a negative flips that direction. So this is y is bigger than or equal to 5/8 x minus 1/4. So minus 1/4 right here, and then 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks about right there. Now the border equals 2 means that this is a solid line. Actually means that y equals 5/8 x minus 1/4 is part of the answer. And then we look and say y is greater than. So that means the y's above this line work. So we are graphing vertically that above it. Excellent. Let's clear these guys off and do the next three. Number 27. Subtract 2x from both sides and we get 3y less than or equal to negative 2x minus 5. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Notice we're dividing by a positive number, so we do not switch the sign. So that's y is less than or equal to negative 2/3 x minus 5/3. So we graph 0, negative 5/3. That's about negative 1.66, somewhere right about there. Down 2 on the slope and over 3. So that's our next point. So it looks, let me see. Do we have a solid line or a dashed line? Solid line. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 5/3. That line right there is part of the solution. So we draw it in as a solid line. And then it says y is smaller than this. So the y's under the line. We look down and we got it. That's what it'll look like. Number 28. This is already in y equals mx plus b form. Y less than 3/4 x minus 1. So we get 0, negative 1. And let me see. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like about right there. And it's a dashed line. Y equals 3/4 x minus 1 is actually not part of the answer. So that's why we color the line dashed. And it says y is less than that. So there we go, colored everything below the line. And finally, number 29. Oh, this is already solved for y. That's nice. Y greater than or equal to negative 2/7 minus 5. So 0, negative 5 is a point right there. And then the slope is down to over 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all right. So it looks about like that. Not bad, not bad. And it says y is bigger than that. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a solid line because y equals that. The line y equals negative 2/7 minus 5 right there. Good. And it is part of our line, our answer, so we color it in. And y is bigger than this. So it says y is greater than. So we will look up from the line. There we go. Yeah, excellent.